In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color Google Calendar. First, let's open Google Calendar from the Google homepage. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps grid, the small square of dots, and choose Calendar. Once your calendar loads, pick any event you want to update, click the event to open its details, then choose the Edit option to go into the full editor. Here, look for the colored circle in the event details. This is your event color control. Click the circle to open the palette, then select the color you want. When you're happy with the choice, click Save to apply the change. That's it for changing the color of a single event. It's a great way to highlight a high priority meeting or make a one-off reminder stand out on a crowded schedule. There's also another way to change colors, and this one sets the color for an entire calendar. On the left side of the screen, find the My Calendar section. If you don't see it, hover near the left edge or expand the sidebar. Locate the calendar you want to style, then click the three dots next to its name. You'll see a color palette appear. You can pick one of the preset colors here for a quick update, and every event on that calendar will reflect the new color instantly, helping you visually separate personal, work, or shared schedules. If you want something more specific, click the plus sign in the palette to create a custom color. Choose the shade that best fits your system, branding, or accessibility needs, then click Save. Custom colors are perfect when you're managing multiple calendars and need clear, consistent distinctions. As a tip, aim for high contrast colors that are easy to see at a glance. For example, bright, distinctive colors often work best for urgent or time-sensitive calendars, while softer tones can be helpful for routine tasks. A few quick reminders as you work. Changing the color inside an event affects that event only, which is helpful for one-time highlights. Changing the color from the My Calendars menu updates the default color for every event on that specific calendar, giving you a clean, uniform look. If your changes don't appear right away on other devices, give them a moment to sync. And if you ever get lost, return to the My Calendars list to confirm which calendar you're editing. With these simple steps, you can color code your schedule for clarity and focus, whether you're updating a single event or organizing entire calendars. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.